forgive. Kind hearts show the way we live. We say sorry, make it right, filling hearts with gentle light. Allah loves when we forgive, sharing love in how we live. Every smile, every start brings more peace into the heart. Sometimes we make small mistakes, maybe more than we should take, maybe words we shouldn't say, but we can fix it right away. We say sorry, soft and true. We were wrong, we really knew. With a hug or helping hand, we learn to love and understand. Allah loves when we forgive. Kind hearts show the way we live. We say sorry, make it right, filling hearts with gentle light. If a friend has made us sad or said something that felt bad, we can choose to let it go. Kindness helps our friendship grow. We forgive and smile again, just like taught in our deen. Mercy makes our hearts feel free. That's the way we're meant to be. At home, at school, in all we do, we try to be kind and true, helping others when they fall, sharing love with one and all. Every day we learn and grow. There's so much goodness we can show. With gentle words and caring ways, we brighten up each other's days. Ya Allah, forgive us please for our faults and all our deeds. You are merciful and kind. Peace and comfort we will find. Every night and every day we remember you and pray with sincere hearts, soft and true. Allah's mercy comes to you. Allah loves when we forgive. That's the way we choose to live. We say sorry, we make it right, shining with a peaceful light. Allah loves when we forgive. With pure hearts we truly live. Hand in hand we smile and say, kindness leads us every day. So be gentle, kind and true. Let forgiveness shine